One of our favorite clients called up and said he bought a piece. He's having it delivered to us to be framed. It came from New York, and up pulls an 18-wheeler, and this is it. And man, is it huge. And we have no idea what's in the box. Okay, guys, at 4 o'clock today, the mystery will be solved. Our client's coming in and we're opening up this huge box and we're going to see what's inside it and we're going to show you. So this is what was in the big box that we showed you earlier. It's from an Italian artist named Stefanelli, and we wanted to film the unboxing, but we couldn't because we were so busy with other clients. We just didn't have time for Kelly to film me and our client taking it out of the box. He picked a beautiful frame, and we're going to show this to you when it's done. This is the back of the painting on the stretcher it came on, or strainer back. It's really inadequate. The canvas was flopping around, and we're going to show you how we fix that next. Okay, so here is the back of the painting, and right now it's fairly taut, and when it came in, as I said earlier, the canvas was just flopping all over the place. It was terrible. And here was the problem, and here's why I had to build these big beam type things here, was normally a stretcher goes this way, and that gives you strength like that as things get tugged on. This one was built this way. And what happened is the tension of the canvas over the years had taken this piece of wood, and that happened to it. It tipped in like that. So with both these sides tipped in, the front of the painting was smaller than the back of the painting, and the lip of the frame wouldn't go over the piece. Now, one of the problems with this is you could take this to a conservator and you could have them re-stretch it and build a new new stretcher back for it. The problem is most of the canvas was trimmed completely flush, so there's not enough canvas to grab onto to stretch, and plus the canvas is getting fairly brittle. So you're talking having them reline the back of this or add canvas to the side, build a whole new stretcher. So, you know, you're in like $1,000 range or more to get that done for something this size. So I said, okay, so how can I fix this? So these beams were built to be exactly as wide as the back. Don't worry about that little gap. And then when they were hammered in, it did this. It took that out of it. And all of a sudden, this is now square to everything. So that happened. So we have a beam here, and that's straightened these out. And then the other problem was that the canvas was sagging in this direction, this way. So then I had to add these cross braces. And these are, you know, cut to just the right length to just tap in with a little pressure, just to pull everything tight. And other than one little area, this canvas is really in pretty nice shape right now. This is the cleat or Z-bar hanging system. And over here we have all the provenance that came with the piece that's encapsulated in Mylar. And what we're going to do now is turn it around and you're going to see the whole piece finished. Okay, so here it is, all done. It looks really nice, and again, I got some nice tension on the canvas. It's not flapping around like a sail in the wind. This job actually took to build all that on the back and to figure out how to do it and what to do, and then do something and go, oh, it might be better if I changed and did this instead. This took 2 8-hour days to build this back and get this canvas tight again and get everything to fit in the frame. And I'm thrilled with how it came out, and we are going to right now call the client and tell them it is ready to be picked up.